By default, everyone who submits your form sees the same confirmation messages. But what if different users submit completely different answers? With FormGent conditional confirmation, you can show different messages or even redirect users to different pages based on what they actually submitted. Let me show you how to set it up. Open your form, go to Form Settings, then select Conditional Confirmation. Now click Add Confirmation. First, give it an internal name. This is only for admin use, user won't see it. Next, choose your confirmation type. You can show a success message, redirect to a WordPress page, or redirect to any custom URL. If you select success message, you can also insert dynamic score tags like total points or percentage. This is especially useful for quizzes, so user instantly see their actual result. Now scroll down to the conditional logic section. This is where you define when this confirmation should trigger. Click Add Rule. Each rule contains 3 parts: attribute, operator, and value. You can create conditions based on quiz scores, submission metadata, or any field inside your form. Just define the match condition and you are done. You can also add multiple rules and decide whether all conditions must match or any condition can match. FormGent checks your confirmation in order and triggers the first matching condition. And if nothing matches, your default form confirmation still works automatically. So nothing breaks and nothing gets missed. Full documentation is linked below. You can get started free at formgent.com. I am 𝘂𝗵𝗀. See you in the next one.